What's up, guys? This is Omi from Grace and Fire Designs coming back with a new tutorial here on my new YouTube channel. And today we're going to make a tutorial on the Cameo Pro. So let's jump right in. We're using a Mac Mini with the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. And I went ahead and printed my EcoSolvent transfer from the Epson ET8550. And the cut settings for the color print easy of Caesar, it's blade 3, force of 8, passes 1, speed of 10. And we're going to be cutting from the Cameo Pro, which I know many of you have been having struggles with the mat, how to put it in and actually keep it stable, which is one of the little errors that happen lately with the Cameo Pro, but it's very user-friendly. So let's go in. Okay, so we're back again with the Cameo Pro here. I have with me a guide which I had purchased from Etsy for when I was beginning and I didn't understand the machine, but it's a good little guide for those of you who need to know where to exactly align the mat. It goes right here and it will protect you to the second line. The second line is for mats of 8 inches, 12 inches, and 15 inches. The first line will be just for your 24 mat. I don't need it, so I'm going to take it out. If you notice, this lever right here is to move this guide. I obviously keep it for a 12 mat, I keep it on this right here. It's going to be a little area right here with 2 arrows. And I'm going to align it right on top of that second line. Not on the side, but right on top of the second line. And you're going to see 2 little notches. Those normally there'd be one here and one here. I pushed them over to here. Do not cover that. We're going to keep this right on top of this mat. And we're going to, let me try to focus at the little key to push it in. And it's going to go right in. And we're going to go to cut. And we're going to send it off, and it's going to go right in. And I don't have to hold it. That's as easy as it gets. Now it's trying to read the registration marks. And it's going to soon cut. And I'm using the Auto blade on a 12 by 12 mat. So here it goes. It's taking it right in. It's not sliding to the side. It's not doing anything, and this is what I learned how to use this machine. It all has to do with user functionality. So meaning you're the one that controls this machine, and that is where you keep those guides at. So it's cutting. Once it cuts, I'm going to show you the results. So again, I'm going to be releasing the mat. As you can see, it's stable. Has not come to the side. I know many of you were complaining, and I know in a few groups that was complaining about the mat swifting to the side, but obviously it's stable. And I'm gonna go release it now. Actually, let me show you so you can see and you could direct yourself how to place that mat, that 12 mat, for those of you who don't like using that big, large 24 inch. Unless you're having some big cutouts or whatnot. But the big mat, actually, it goes right on top of that line. Same thing you're going to do with the second line for 8, 12, and 15 inch mats. So I know that's another question of those that are using a 15 inch mat. The 15 inch mat will go on the second top line. Another thing is, the mat has a sticky area on the 15 inch. Do not put the transfer starting from the sticky point. It actually has to go on the little registration marks outside of the sticky part. So that's a pointer as well for you guys that have the 15 inch mat. I have all sizes. So I learned the hard way also about the 15 inch. You have to put it on the non-sticky area starting from there and then place it on that line right here. Okay? So here I go releasing the mat. Again, here I am reading the project coming out of the Cameo Pro. Perfect. perfect cut. Those of you who are interested in this Cameo Pro or having issue with it, or just wanting to give up and throw the machine in the garbage, it's actually good. Just have patience. Just put it where I actually indicated, and you guys are gonna love this machine. And this is an Echo solvent for those of you who are interested in transfers, custom items, custom tumblers, custom products, and party favors. At graceandfiredesigns.com, you can locate me. You can send me a message. You can actually send me a message here on YouTube, or you can contact me. But for this tutorial, I was using an Etsy design of Winnie the Pooh. So I have no rights to it. I'm not selling this product. This is just for tutorial purposes. So I have released the mat, and I'm going to weed this project, which is an Echo solvent. Once again, stay tuned for the next video, and subscribe, share, and thumbs up my video. I would love to hear your comments and where you're writing from.